Hey everyone! First, collect these basic items. A bowl of lukewarm water, mild unscented dish soap, a soft lint-free cloth like a microfiber cloth, a clean makeup brush or a soft bristled toothbrush, a clean dry towel. Before we begin, remember that pearls are more delicate than other types of jewelry, so we need to handle them with extra care. Never soak your pearls in water for too long. They are naturally porous, which means they can absorb water. Water will weaken the strings your pearls are threaded on. Avoid harsh chemicals such as bleach or ammonia, as they can damage the nacre, which gives pearls their shine. Don't use abrasive materials like rough clothes or hard brushes, which can scratch the surface of the pearls. Do not clean pearls with steam or ultrasonic cleaners. These harsh methods can damage pearls over time. Alright, let's get started. First, fill a small bowl with lukewarm water and add just a few drops of mild unscented dish soap. Stir it gently until it's mixed well. Dip your soft cloth into the soapy water, but be careful not to soak it completely. You just want it damp enough to wipe the pearls. Now gently wipe each pearl with a damp cloth. Remember, you don't want to rub too hard. Just softly wipe to remove any dirt or oils. As you can see, the dish soap solution is effectively removing the dirt from these pearls. If your pearls are strung together and you notice any dirt between them, use a clean makeup brush or a soft bristled toothbrush to carefully clean in between the pearls. Don't press too hard, just enough to remove any grime. Once you've cleaned them, take a clean dry towel and gently pat the pearls dry. Don't leave them damp as moisture can weaken the string. To finish up, lay the pearls flat on a towel and let them air dry for a few hours before putting them back in your jewelry box. Your pearls are now clean and shiny again. But before you go, here are some tips to keep your pearls looking great between cleanings. First, wear your pearls often. The natural oils from your skin help keep the pearls shiny. Wipe them down after each wear with a soft cloth to remove any sweat or makeup. Finally, store them flat in a soft pouch or jewelry box and avoid hanging pearl necklaces to prevent the string from stretching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more jewelry care tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you next time.